assumed power, I decided, my government decided that from now onwards, Pakistan will only partner another country in peace. We would not become part of any other conflict.
Efforts underway there. So it's been the right way to go.
I just answered your question earlier, but I said
very impressive, without any manuscripts, so laying out your visions